Everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. These are two more of the embossing powder mixes that we did a while back ago. I'll link the video somewhere up there, and I'll put it in the description box. So, I don't even remember what color these are. Now, obviously, it's got some of the weathered iron, but it does look like it has something else. Just not sure. And of course, they're both different. So, this one I'm definitely just gonna roll out. It's got a really good banded pattern. I'm liking that one. This one does have a banded pattern. It's a little more spread out. I don't know whether I should twist it some more or just roll it out. Let's just see what we can do. Now these have been setting for months, so they're pretty set in their ways, let's say. But I'm actually getting this one to twist, so that's a good thing. I wish that right there would twist a bit more. Alright, I'm going to roll this out. I'm just going to roll it out on a 3. And while I do that, I'll pick some cutters. Okay, as you can see, it's got a lot of black glitter, some opalescent chunky glitter, and it appears just some translucent. So, I went to my alcohol ink shelf. This is the Sigwong alcohol ink Sapphire Blue. This one is the Navy Blue. I don't know. So, we're just going to play around, right? Okay. Now, kind of quick before that has a chance to dry. Oh, I'm gonna get it on me, I just know it. Of course. Now with the navy. Oh, quite a bit darker, huh? Okay. Same thing. Okay. Okay, now that is super dark. So I've got, this is a spray bottle of 91% alcohol. I've got another paper towel. soak up a little more of that color. Then we'll spray it. I don't know why that does that. It's not like it's almost empty or anything. What I'm worried about is not being able to see that glitter underneath there. Okay, it may have reached its limit on how much we can pull back out of there. Okay, we're just gonna chance it. Okay, now I've got these two oval cutters. It's not the smallest one and not the biggest one, but so let's see. I still want the banding to go across. Now it's going to be hard to cut because of all that chunky glitter. Okay. We're readjusting just some. Not sure what happened right there. Okay, now this one I can see has got some color. I can't tell if that's a brown or a maroon. So this is going to be just as much a surprise to me, because I'm not going to go back and watch the other one. I'm just going to let myself be surprised. So I'm just going to cut out some shapes. Possibly the same shapes, but I'm going to do them out of the next size up cutter. Alright, now take this one right out of this curved edge right over here. Okay. And the next one, just so that they coordinate with each other. This is a little easier to cut, although the roll itself is a bit firmer. Okay, you can see it does cut a bit cleaner. Okay, there we go. Now, same thing, just to cut out the smaller ovals. Sorry. Okay, here's how they came out. Really pretty. Love these. These are gorgeous. Alright, I just UV resined both sides. Okay. Alright. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm in love with these. I love that kind of dual tone sparkle. Really pretty. Alright. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like everybody's video you watch, including this one. I've got an Amazon shop where the glitters, mica powders, resin dyes, alcohol inks, all that stuff is listed. I've got a resin list, a polymer clay list, plus a few others. Bye for now. I know I did that in a weird order, but bye for now.